just another idea for giving wine as a gift. You can find these stockings just about anywhere during the Christmas season, and they're in all different colors and styles, and all you do is you put your wine bottle in them. Now this is good, and you can give this away just like this, put a little gift tag on it to whoever you're giving it to. But let's take it a step further to make it a little more memorable. One of the ways that you can do that is by putting a bow on it. I like to use these EZ Bow Makers. It's pretty simple to use these, and you put the dowels in them. I can't remember exactly. I've had this one for so many years that I can't remember where I bought it. I think, honestly, I don't remember why I bought it. I'll look it up and see if I can find it for you. Okay, so this was the ribbon that I thought I would use, kind of a nice white to give it a bit of contrast. You could find green ribbon, really, seriously. This green ribbon might work well with it, but I think I've decided on this white. It is says it's a 2.5-inch ribbon for 30 feet, which should be enough for us. It is a wired ribbon, which I prefer to work with. If you're not using wired ribbon, I'm not sure you can get as fluffy a bow as this without using some kind of spray, or I don't know. I just find this to be the easiest method. Okay, now you've got your bow, you've got your bag. A lot of doing this literally is just trying it out, see how it works, see if it's going to work. That seems to stay on there pretty well. I almost cut it the wrong way. You fold that over like that. And it turns out like that. Now, honestly, there's another thing you can do if you want to take it a step further. There's always step furthers that you can take with these things. Found a pick. Oh, again, where to go? Am I gonna have to get up and find this? No, I've actually got it right here. I found another one. Okay, that I thought looked kind of cute. Let's see how this works if we slip this in here. Look at that. Maybe we like to put another one in there with maybe one of those. Out the side. And kind of move these around so that they spread out a little bit. That's okay to do. These are on wires, so you can spread them out. Okay, here's some greenery. It's kind of nice to have some Christmas greenery. Jazzed it up a little bit more. I mean, if this is a really nice bottle of wine or a bottle of champagne, why not? Why not jazz it up so it looks really beautiful? Thank you so much for joining me here. I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas holiday season. Have fun with this. Enjoy yourself. I'll see you next time.